Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Gantt chart templates, your ultimate tool for project planning, task management, and staying on track with your goals. Managing projects can get overwhelming, but Gantt charts simplify by providing a clear, visual timeline for your tasks and milestones. Whether you're planning for a day, a week, or a quarter, there's a Gantt chart for every need. Let's explore the different types of Gantt chart templates and how they can elevate your workflow. First up, we have time frame-based Gantt charts, perfect for organizing tasks over specific periods. Daily Gantt charts ideal for short-term planning and day-to-day tasks. Weekly Gantt charts great option for managing tasks over a week. Monthly Gantt charts perfect for longer-term goals and planning. Quarterly Gantt charts great for tracking progress over a quarter or showcasing a project roadmap. Types of Gantt charts based on use cases. Let's explore each of them. Task-focused Gantt charts help you stay organized, prioritize tasks, and maintain clear timelines, ensuring efficient project completion and a seamless workflow. People-focused Gantt charts from resource and role allocation, tracking dependencies, and team management to workload distribution. Gantt charts help you effectively manage human resources. And finally, the bonus. We have a huge range of interactive animated Gantt charts, perfect for adding a professional touch. That's a quick look at how Gantt chart templates can streamline your projects and presentations. Check out the links in the description for these amazing templates. Don't forget to use code SLIDE10 for an extra 10% off. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video.